Hey everybody, Cinemastic this year once again with a special unboxing video for you. One of my viewers contacted me a few weeks ago letting me know he had some Laserdiscs for sale and would I be interested in any of them. He let me have my choice of everything he had for $2 a piece, which was a great deal. Definitely love spending around $2 a piece on Laserdiscs. So I got some great titles here. So let's crack this box open and see everything I got. Alright, let's see what's inside. First we have lots and lots of bubble wrap here. Alright, now for the Laserdiscs themselves. See if I can get them out of here. Wow, these are really jammed in there. Alright, there we go. Wow. This is great. First we have Rosemary's Baby here. Love this film. This is great. Best thing about this is I've actually held on to my VHS copy because I really like the artwork. The DVD artwork looks very similar, but it has some writing at the bottom that I don't really care for. So now I can retire my VHS copy. So this is just awesome. The People Under the Stairs. Another classic film. Love this one. Another title I actually have only on VHS, so now I can replace my VHS copy of this as well. Then we have Lost Highway, a movie I've actually never seen. I've heard great things about this movie though, so now that I have it, definitely got to check it out. This I was very excited about. Ed Wood. This is one of my favorite films. I'm a huge fan of this movie. And this artwork right here I actually just recently picked up on VHS because I really enjoy this artwork. So now that I have this great artwork on Laserdisc, I can replace my VHS copy. So this is just fantastic. A huge fan of this movie. And this is in really good condition too. This artwork is in fantastic shape. The Lion King, of course. Why would I not love this? It's The Lion King. Huge Disney fan. Schindler's List, another great film. Kiss of the Spider-Woman. I actually just bought this on Blu-ray, and I haven't watched it yet, so now that I have it on Blu-ray and Laserdisc, I'm going to check that one out real soon. Escape from New York. I think we all know that's a classic. And look at that artwork. This is one of the reasons why I love Laserdisc so much. Just the great artwork. Halloween, Curse of Michael Myers. Great movie as well. Well, to an extent. I mean, I'm a sucker for the Halloween movies. You know, after the second one, they're not very good. Well, I mean, I really do love Season of the Witch as well, but as far as the Michael Myers movies go, after the second movie, they do pretty much go completely downhill, but regardless, I am a sucker for them. Don't know if I agree with that, though. The scariest Halloween of them all? Yeah, who wrote that? Academy of Science Fiction, Fantasy, and Horror Films. So I will never believe anything they say. That is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard, but regardless, I do enjoy this film, and I'm very happy to have it on Laserdisc. Scream 2, love this one as well. The Stay Awake. I have never even heard of this movie. Honestly, I have no idea what this is. If you guys know about this movie, let me know. Let me know if it's any good. Looks interesting. Definitely got to check that one out. Basic Instinct, another great film. This here being the director's cut and a Pioneer Special Edition. Looks like it comes with widescreen edition, director's commentary, and behind-the-scenes interviews. That's pretty cool. The Fog. Oh, just again, look at that artwork. That is absolutely beautiful. And this is a fantastic movie as well. Explorers, another great film. More great artwork. And finally, look at that. Fright Night. So there you go, guys. There's all the Laserdiscs I picked up. Again, got these for $2 a piece, which was a fantastic deal. As I said many times before, Laserdisc is my all-time favorite format. I am just a huge fan of this format. I think it's great for collecting. If I had to keep only one format in my entire collection, it would be my Laserdisc collection. I'm just a huge fan. Love watching movies on Laserdisc. I love the artwork. I just love collecting these. So to get this great haul, all for $2 a piece, which is a fantastic deal, and I can't wait to sit down and watch some of these classic films. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I have an unboxing. See ya.